Hello everyone. This lecture is specifically made to be able to upload your classes on the YouTube channel of your department so that your attendance is clearly maintained as per the instructions of Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir. So let's get started. I will go to my login ID. I will just create a meeting like we usually do. In case you have forgotten, you can refer to the other video lectures which were recorded previously and are uploaded on our YouTube channel. So I'll just start a meeting here, an instant meeting. You already know that. So we already know how to create meetings. You can share this link and then start presenting your class. Now here you can start recording the meeting. So once this sound is made, you know that the meeting is being recorded. You can take your class normally. Once it's over, you can come here and you can say stop recording. So it automatically gets saved in the Google Drive. Once this is done, maybe in 5 minutes time or so, you will get a Meet record email, which will give you a link also to the meeting that you have recorded. You can go to the drive. You can check out the video. Otherwise, you can go from the Google Apps to your drive. All your meetings recorded will be here in a folder called Meet Recordings. You can go here. You can select the meeting that you want to upload. So suppose this is the meeting that I have. I want to upload this to my YouTube channel. Now I could do this directly also, but since I want this to be uploaded in the channel of the department, what I would need to do is to download it. Since these are big files, because our classes are generally from 45 minutes to 1 hour, you just download them. And once this is downloaded to the location, it's typically the download folder on your drive, you will log out from this ID. Now the department would have an email ID. Your departmental head will share you the email ID and the password. It's made here for all your departments. So I will take my departmental ID here. Put in my password, which will be shared to you by your heads. For the first time when I log in, I can save the password and accept will be done. For the terms and conditions, this will be already done by your head, so you need not worry about this. Now once you have logged in, you will go to the YouTube. So youtube.com. You'll be automatically logged in from the ID which you have used for this particular drive here or your Gmail. And here you will create a channel. Now this will be done again only one time because your heads will be creating a channel for the department. I will use the departmental name, so I'll just select this. I can customize the channel name as well. These are the details that I need to fill in. I can set up later. They are very obvious details which need to be put in. Now here when you come to the upload video, I'll just click outside this. Select the file. I will go back and find out my class wherever it is, where I had downloaded it. I will click that particular class, select the file. It will start uploading. So the title could be Data Science, the first lecture. Then if I need a description of whatever I have put in inside this lecture, the topics discussed, I could put it here. I could choose a thumbnail. So otherwise an automatic thumbnail from the video will pop in here and you can select them. It's always a good idea to create a playlist. Once I click create, I can check this data science playlist. So my video is now going into this playlist. So a good idea would be to create a playlist for all your subjects that you have so that they are completely available in one playlist lecture wise. It is not made for kids, so we don't have any age restrictions. I'll put in this. I'll go to next. I don't need to add an end screen and add a card or whatever. This is not needed. Once the processing is finished, They'll check the copyright issues in case there are any. So you need to be sure that you're not uploading some content from other video channels so that it's your own video content. So obviously when you're recording, there's no copyright issue as such. These are all your classes. So there's a green check here. We can go forward. I can publish it to the public. If you want it to be private and you can just, only you can share it. So, and the people that you choose to share it with, maybe your students, then you can make it private. Otherwise, there's no problem in public. I can also schedule them at a certain interval, or I can immediately publish them, and I'll publish. Now I have a link. This link can be copied and it can be sent to your head, and the head will then send it to the Dean of Academics so that your records are properly maintained, and it will be available live on the YouTube channel of your department. So I hope this is clear. In case you have any problem, please let me know. You can contact me at rashi@csjmu.ac.in. Thank you so much.